Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Neil. Let's start. So, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the recently launched plan by Jio, the Jio Fiber plans. The Mukesh Ambani sir launched so many plans. So, matlab, every the base plan is from 699. It is known as bronze plan. The base variant starts from 699, and the top one, the titanium one plan is from 8499 rupees. But these all prices are without GST. So if in the base plan, the 699 one plan, if we include 18% of GST, so it would be converted to 825 rupees. So what they are telling you is like the base plan is of only 699 rupees, but they are not including the GST in it. So if you would add GST like 18% GST, so it would become 825 rupees. The speed you are getting is 100 Mbps, 100 Mbps, but it's not unlimited. So it is indirectly unlimited, but the speed, the 100 Mbps speed is not limited. It's not unlimited. They give you 100 GB plus another 50 GB, the introductory offer. So what's like 100 GB plus 50 GB, but the 50 GB, the free one they are giving you, the in introductory offer will expire in 6 months. So there, that 50 GB is for 6 months, the additional 50 GB. But after 6 months, if you use that 15 GB, or you don't use that 15 GB, it's gonna expire, and you are getting the 100 GB plan with it, and it's for only 6 months, the 50 GB one. But the plan is for 825 rupees per month. And uh, let me tell you guys, the all plans, like from the bronze to the bronze, silver, gold, diamond, platinum, and titanium, all plans of what like people are believing that they are giving you live TV, the cable service. They are then forgot that they are not giving you the cable service. मतलब लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो लाइव टीवी आता है जैसे वो डिश टीवी है, GTPL है, तो लोगों को लग रहा है कि वो भी उसके साथ इंक्लूडेड है, पर वो इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. यू नीड टू हैव एग्जिस्टिंग फाइबर, मतलब केबल टीवी कनेक्शन. लाइक यू नीड टू हैव हाथ में, मतलब कोई भी हो, लाइक GTPL हो, कोई भी केबल कनेक्शन आपको होना चाहिए. वो लोग आपको नहीं दे रहे हैं केबल कनेक्शन. दे आर जस्ट गिविंग यू द फाइबर, लाइक they are just giving you internet and a 4K setup box. So the what is that 4K setup box? I will talk to it in the later video. So this video is going to be very lengthy because I'm going to explain everything in detail. Now the second one plan, the plan of the silver plan. The plan they are saying of the rupees without including GST is 849, and the speed is same 100 Mbps. And if you include GST, it would be like 1200 rupees per month, and they are giving you like 200 GB plus 200 GB extra in that introductory offer. But the 200 GB will expire in first 6, well, the 200 GB is for 6 months. After 6 months the 200 GB would be gone, and additional 200 GB is already there, and you are getting but in this also the 4K setup box. Now get me to that topic. Let 4K setup box, they are giving 4K setup box in every range. So in even in the base version of that 699 rupees bronze plan, they are also giving that 4K setup box, and even the 8499 plan titanium, they are also giving that 4K setup box. But now what is that 4K setup box? So it usually acts like I can give you an example like Amazon Fire TV stick. It is like a Fire TV stick, but they are giving in form of setup box. So in that it will be like OTT apps, like they have their own apps like Geo News, Geo Cinema, Geo TV. Every basic app they all have. But in there will also apps like Netflix is there, YouTube, like Amazon Prime, Z5, Hotstar Original. So this is what 4K setup box is. So just don't go on that name that they are telling, yeah, that 4K set-top box, so it is having a 4K cable. It is not cable set-top box. It is like Amazon Fire TV stick. The third plan is the gold plan, and the basic price they are telling is 1299, and if we include 18% GST in it, it would be around 1533 rupees per month. And what you are getting is 500 GB in the basic plan plus 250 GB extra, and the speed upgrades in the gold plan, it is like 250 Mbps. So most of the people would be looking forward towards the gold plan due to the speed, but the rupees is also heavy, like 1533 rupees per month and a 250 Mbps connection. And what I was telling that it is not unlimited, because after your 500 GB plus 250 GB would be over, the speed would be throttled down to 1 GB or 1 Mbps only. So this is not good. Like when you are giving 250 Mbps as a speed, and if your GBs are over, then you are giving like 1 Mbps. It should be around like 5 Mbps minimum. Like if your all GBs are over, then 500 or 5 Mbps should be the minimum in it. And the other plans like the diamond one, platinum and titanium. The diamond one starts from 2499 without included GST, 18% GST, and in this the speed is more than the gold plan, so it is 500 Mbps per second, and you are getting around 1250 GB plus 250 GB extra. And in the platinum one is for 3999 rupees per month. The speed is now also increased, it is 1 Gbps per month, so it is like a very big amount, like 1 Gbps per month super speed. And they are telling, and they are giving 2500 GB to use. And the titanium one, it is like 8499 rupees per month. The speed is the same as the platinum one, to 1 Gbps, and it gives data to use like 5000 GB. And yeah, let me tell you, the 4K set-top box they are giving. So if you would watch anything in that 4K set-top box, like you would watch GeoTV, you will watch any apps, it will consume the data. So if you are having 100 GB data in a month, then if you would watch from that 4K set-top box, then it will consume data. So it's not like that they are giving that set-top box, 4K set-top box, so it would be free, the data you use it in, but it will consume data from it. I might suggest that if you are going for any annual plan like the gold, silver, diamond, platinum or titanium, you should go for only one option, double up your data, because you would be getting more data in the same speed. So it would be more convenient to get more data than to get 2 months extra, or they are giving that HD TV or 4K TV, or they are giving that Bluetooth speaker. So it is more convenient to get to annual plan, and also in that you have to choose double of your data. And I would tell you guys, these are not the only plans by Jio. They are matlab, I just searched so many things on Google about this, that what's the plan and what's this future, मतलब वो लोग फ्यूचर में कोई प्लान निकालने वाले हैं कि नहीं. तो I just searched and then I found one video in which I was talking about that these are not the only plans. So they are also going to be launching some new plans in the future. So I am hoping like in Christmas or Diwali they will launch some new plans. They would be more convenient, and that the basic speed would be not 1 Mbps. They should give 5 Mbps, and they should give some more data and more worthy, because जब लॉन्च हुआ था ना तब बहुत हाइप थी कि वो लोग 4K टीवी फ्री में दे रहे हैं, HD टीवी फ्री में दे रहे हैं. पर HD टीवी मतलब हर प्लान में HD टीवी नहीं है. यू शुड at least have gold one or diamond plan to have that HD TV, and platinum and titanium one to have that 4K TV. And that the size is also not big like that. HD TV is like this 24 inch and 4K TV is like this 32 inch. So it's not a big deal for that. What was the hype during the launch? The Mukesh Ambani sir talked about it. So this was the detail and plan. This was the detail of that whole GeoFiber plan. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.